everyone, I'm Laura and I study maths and statistics.
Hello, I'm Adrian. I do politics and philosophy here at St. Peter's.
We are now standing outside St. Thomas Street, the building we both live in. This accommodation is around a 5-minute walk from college, so it's really easy to get to our tutorials in the morning. We should head in and show them one of our rooms, right?
Yeah, I wonder which one we should do.
Probably mine.
I think that'd be best.
Let's go on in. This is my St. Thomas Street room, and I'm really enjoying living here. Some of my favorite features of this room are the ample storage in the room. There's a chest of drawers here and a massive cupboard on the other side of the room. I also really enjoy the pin boards with pictures of my friends from back home, as well as postcards from places I've visited. I also have a lovely ensuite bathroom, which makes just getting ready in the morning that much easier. And although not all the rooms in this building are identical, all the rooms are very spacious. I grew up in the Middle East, in Dubai and Bahrain, and there it's tradition to, when a baby is born, bring camels to the mother in the hospital. So I have a bunch of camels from when my sister was born in Dubai. And it's just a really nice way to, whenever I'm homesick, remember my family.
Every floor has a kitchen on it, which has been absolutely wonderful for just late night snacks, lunches, dinners. They're very nice places to socialize with people.
There's also laundry on the 2 bottom floors that all the residents can use, as well as the common room on the 1st floor. Do you want to
That's
say
good.
it? Because I've said so much.
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
I can have my one line. of
Your
fame.
one-liner. I've
Yeah.
given you the line.
We have our very own courtyard, which a lot of students will sit in and do work when it's sunny outside, like today. Oh, this is so authentic. This is lovely.